Have you ever started something full of passion only to hit a wall later on? You feel stuck, drained, and unsure whether to keep going or just walk away. This book was written exactly for that moment. The Dip by Seth Godin isn't just another self-help book. It's a clear, thought-provoking guide that helps you answer one of life's most important questions. Should I keep going, or is it wiser to quit? Godin starts with one central idea. In every journey, whether it's a career path, a relationship, a project, or a goal, there's always a phase where things get tough. Not because you're failing, but because you're being tested. That stage is called the dip. It's that deep valley you fall into after the excitement fades and before any real success appears. And here's the key question. Are you in a dip, or are you in a cul-de-sac? Because not all struggles are the same. There are two types of hard times. 1. The dip. This is the difficult phase that leads to mastery if you push through. It's hard, but it's meaningful. It's the price you pay for being among the few who stand out. Example. Imagine someone learning a new skill like design or coding. In the beginning, it's fun. But then the real work starts: complexity, frustration, slow progress. That's the dip. If they persist, they grow. They succeed. They rise above the crowd. 2. The cul-de-sac. This is a dead end. No matter how much effort you put in, nothing changes. No growth, no joy, no progress, just repetition. Godin says, it's not enough to be persistent. You have to be persistent at something that matters. In other words, don't just keep going for the sake of it. Be honest. Is this path still meaningful? Is it worth the time, energy, and heart you're putting in? One of the book's most powerful messages is this: quitting isn't always a failure. In fact, sometimes quitting is the smartest, most courageous choice you can make. Winners quit all the time. They just quit the right stuff at the right time. Successful people don't just push through everything. They choose their battles carefully. They know when to double down and when to walk away with grace. Another key insight. Don't try to be great at everything. Pick one meaningful path, a dip that's worth enduring, and pour your heart into it. If you quit distractions, dead ends, and shallow efforts, you free yourself to excel at what actually matters. So before you start anything new, a job, a business, a goal, ask yourself, if I hit a dip, will I have the patience and purpose to push through it? And if I realize I'm stuck in a cul-de-sac, do I have the courage to let it go? Final thoughts. Life isn't just about working harder. It's about being wiser. About knowing when persistence is noble and when it's keeping you stuck. The dip isn't a motivational cheerleader. It's a quiet, wise voice that says, be brave enough to quit. Be wise enough to stay. If this video resonated with you, leave a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What's the dip you're facing right now, and is it worth it?